If you not see the video and Tenny, voila. See how Tenny they chase the video. They chase. I just say for this girl like she never run like this before. They chase am, all in the name of it. Hey, feature me, let's do collabo. I beg, I don't bring una the video because I don't say many of una now. Una go start they attack me. Madam Africa, you do this one, you do that one. I beg for una, we don't even know who be Tenny. Una no know the video. And una never say Tenny they run. Una no say she. I beg join me, make we watch the video.
I swear to you.
I fought by fire.
When we they grow, when I remember say una parents will tell una, my child make money, my child make money. See am, but we no listen, no. We know they listen. That time if they talk mommy you are disturbing, mommy you are this. See am now, make money we know here. See, only in the name of waiting, future me, collabo. Because of money, see how Tenny they chase the video. In age mate, 28 years old, two of them we they see like this. Try. The video even get mind. They call her my little sister. Little where? Which little sister? See how big this girl be. She only herself be like King Kong. You know how many the video we fit get inside this girl? We remove one part the video, another part the video, another like 3 the videos. Wait, they this girl body. They call her little sister. What an insult! Ah! Hey, she making me Davido. You too they cause problem. Una dey show say all this thing wey this girl they do, you know be to stunts all these stunts wey this girl they do, no be to promote the album where they come for March this year. Album they come this year, so make una dey ready. And I dey show say na the reason why she dey do all this follow. I beg my sister, we dey wait for the album, no waste time. You understand? But how many of una remember her former album? I go Shodi for your sake. Ngwanu. That one self, she even to say she go slap police for person case. I beg, this your new album, Biko, make sure say you tell us how the slap go. You understand? I want to know because police, Nigeria police for now, where I know, where their eye don't tear, it don't red. Go try slap them now. You slap police for your case. Try am. Now only you go come tell us how you end because now police people they harass people anyhow. I know you go even dey surprise. Hustle, make you know they chase your age mates. You understand? Make sure say you make money. They very important. Try. My people know me smart in una the matter where I bring for una be this Davido. I bet my brother no follow her. You understand? Assist your little sister. Assistant. We dey here. My people, I bet drop your comments for the comment section. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. It is very, very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make people know what they happen for here. Love you guys. See you later. Latest matter from Break and Pay Pastor. How many of you remember that man? My people in matter don't reach me. Or my people say this man for in church, they too they vex and they too they provoke him. The man no even that man, he they vex back to back. And as the thing they do, and that's why they release him. He no get time to they check who he offend, who he no offend. Now he don't come outside. According to that, say women will not submit to their husband, but they submit to their pastor. Say they be hypocrites. Chai! Abeg, when are they increase this volume so that these people go hear aloud. I no one here say people from the back no hear where people from increase am ahead. And I don't say to now. Very good, my people. For now, we no Break and Pay Pastor. Join me, make we watch the video.
Who do not submit to their husbands at home but submit to their pastors are hypocrites. Go to church, you say, Daddy. Who is your daddy? Who is your daddy? Daddy, 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 daddy. You are bowing down to greet your pastor. You have never bowed down to greet your husband. You are a hypocrite.
Hey, una hear am? No, nah. The volume dey okay because if una no hear am, I need play this video back. It's na daddy. Not true. Daddy. Your father lost. You don't know where your papa dey. You go dey call pastor daddy. You go church, you call pastor daddy. But when you dey house, you dey call your husband papa ndubem. You no even feel dey romantic. You no even feel dey sweet. At least make your husband feel say this one. See, no be me talk am. No be this pastor self talk am. E dey your Bible. Women, abi wives, submit to your husband. E dey there. English no be my language. No be me write am. So for una wey no say una belong to this category wey this man dey talk about. If una no change, na be say okay, many of una sef maybe if e dey possible say una don marry. If you know say you dey single, you no get this submissive spirit. You no sabi submit. My sister, get ready because you are about to be single for the rest of your life. No man want another man for a house. No, my fellow brothers, what are they? You want another man as wife for your house? Where if you talk one, wife don't talk 10. No, nah, nobody want that. So every woman suppose dey submissive. Some women, they go carry pastor for their head. Like in a gongoni pot. They go carry for public. Daddy. Go see them for their house. How they treat their husband. Now there you go know the real. Wetin happen? Person just tell me say feminists don't live, they don't work out come on. If una lie, make una go. I don't bring this matter, I don't bring it. And I hope say una hear am. Because feminists, they sabi run mouth. We cannot submit to anybody. We are independent. Now like this, they go for una. Now why una even stay single up till now? Nobody say make you no call your pastor daddy. Nobody say make you no respect your pastor. But make you balance am. Give to Caesar what is for Caesar and to God what is for God. It's still the Bible. No be the one way you go come here, you behave like this, you go there, you behave. Balance the equation, make everybody. You understand? Even if the pastor na your age mate or na your friend, no call am daddy, but still because of that position, you need give am that respect. It's very, very important. See, women, at any time they call na matter because it's very, very important. Men they old though, but now we the old quick pass. You understand? If the age where women they reach men up, some men still feel shoot. So una suppose bring una guard down. No too pride in yourself. You don't go carry you go anywhere. No be me talking now. This man don't come outside, can't talk. And now all the men don't they come outside, they shout louder. No tell me louder anything. See, for the first thing they talk say women should submit. Submission no be slavery. The only of una now go come to confuse the thing. Come do this one. Submission no be slavery. No come turn your wife to slave. You understand? Make we learn and well. They're very, very important. I like this man. This man, they give her back. You know, even they look your color, your height, who you be, how much you put. And now like this, it's supposed to. Pastors, you are not supposed fear to they talk to your congregation or your members. Because now God put there. If you are not talk that day, you go stand before God. God go ask you, how come that day I tell you make you tell them this thing, you not tell them. No be from my mouth, you go hear them.